This one's a little bit of a yoga flow, so what we're gonna wanna do, walk those hands out. You come into a plank position, go into up dog, so just drop those hips. Let these toes touch the ground here, drop the hips, push up. Go through about 3 or 4 of those, pushing up, really push the neck back. You can start to get some rotation here. Then you come up to a plank position, and we'll just go into a downward dog. Sink that chest down, stretch out the hamstrings, walk those feet out. Come into a plank again. Widen out those feet now, so feet go nice and wide. And then we'll go into a pike. Opposite hand touches opposite ankle. Don't let the knees bend here. Keep the knees nice and straight. And work to just touch as far back as you can. Don't bend the knees.